There are three containers containing acid, base, and distilled water, and only one litmus paper, that is red litmus paper. So how can we use this single paper to test all of these solutions? First of all, let us take the red litmus paper and dip it into the basic solution. Now let us stir this solution a bit. We can now clearly see that this solution, that is base solution, turns the red litmus into blue. Now if we dip this blue litmus paper into the acidic solution, the color is again changed into red, which proves that the container A contains acid. After that we put both these colors in the container C, there will be no change, which it proves that the container C contains the distilled water. A is acidic, B is base, and C is distilled water. Therefore, we can group these three solutions as acid, B is base, and container C is the distilled water. Using only one single paper, that is red litmus paper. If we reverse the process but with blue litmus paper starting with acids, it will also do the job. There is also a second way by which we can prove that what is acid, what is base, and what is neutral, that is distilled water. It is to simply, if we take we will use the concept of neutralization reaction, because acids and bases neutralize each other. If we take the acid and drop it or put it into the basic solution, there will be a neutralization reaction. If we take acid and put it into the basic solution, a chemical reaction occurs instantly between acid and base, producing salt and some water, which proves that A is acid and B is base. Now if we drop this solution in the container C, there will be no change again. This proves again that A is acid, B is base, and C is the distilled water. See, there will be no change if we put acid in the container C. So there are two ways of checking whether something is acid or base instantly or simultaneously, and at that we concluded that A is acid, B is base, and C is salt. Thank you very much.